What's up, IG fans? It's your boy Uncle Smoke. I'm very disappointed of Plug Play. Uh, I no longer consume it or buy it at all. Uh, it's it's good oil, but I don't support heroin. So codeine is heroin, and my brother OD all night. So there's no way I could support that. Sorry, Plug Play, Peter. I don't know what you were thinking, but yeah, fuck Lee, man. Your boy,